All right, YouTube. Today I'm going to do a quick video here. We're going to be replacing this HID headlight. This is on a 2016 Ford Edge Sport. What happens is the fog light down here, this is more of like a daytime running light. This is a nice white LED color, and this one up here is an HID, but the color is more of like a 4300, so it's got a kind of a yellowish look to it. Not yellow, but it's not clear white. So I got these on Amazon, RCP, and that is the bulb, D3S. On this headlight housing, we have to remove this bolt. It's a 10 millimeter. This bolt, it's also a 10 millimeter. And this one here is more of just like a clip. I know it's got a Phillips screw head on there, but you basically unscrew that, and this bottom piece you can get out with one of these panel removers. This is the guy we're looking at removing right here. So this dust cap will just come right off. This is the plug that I removed that I showed you. Anyway, this is for the daytime running light. This larger one over here is actually the one that we're going to be removing. So as you can see, it's in there pretty good. There's not much room. It kind of sucks. I mean, my hands aren't the biggest, but you could see my fingers can barely make it in there. I don't have a lot of room to work with. This clip has to come off right here. So some needle nose pliers or maybe a flathead screwdriver, and try to wedge it right up under that little lip down there, and try to pry this out, up and out. So this clip right here is the connector that has to come out. I'll show you on this replacement bulb what I'm talking about, so you could see that connector there. So those of you that are not familiar with this type of light, you'll open this up and go, okay, now what? So this is not the ballast. A lot of people think this is the ballast. The ballast is actually already mounted down here. This is the ballast that comes stock on the HID headlight. So anyway, but if you could see this black plastic here, basically what you need to do, try to see if I can get these wires. It's hard to look. It's dark here where I'm working too. But this piece here, you basically want to turn this counterclockwise or down. This is what's holding the light on. So if you see that clip there, it's just a ring, right? So this way, the up position it's at now, it's holding the bulb tight. You turn it this way or down. I'll see if I can, there. So I just moved it down, and now I should be able to pull this light straight up. The bulb is still a little warm, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I'll move the clip back up so you can see. So right there, it's in the up position, and it's holding this tight. This clip, move it down, and now you can release this bulb. So I'll be back with you guys here. Alright guys, the bulb is off. Here's the clip that I was telling you about. So I found the best way to remove the clip is actually just a pair of pliers. Hold on to it from the ends and just kind of shimmy it and pull at the same time. That way you don't do any damage. I wanted to show you guys quickly, see if I could kind of tuck that out of the way. So, well, that's kind of in the way of what I was trying to show you. Here, let's just put it in the middle here. So you could kind of see that clip now I was telling you about a little bit better. You see the black clip here, and the black clip end of it there. And as I turn it up, you see this side moves just like that. And then if I turn it back up, okay, so that's the part that's putting pressure on the bulb, holding it in place. All these little arms or little fingers you see here, when you twist that back down, it's going to close and grab the base of the bulb, so hold it in place. So remember, this has to be in the upwards position, just like this, in order to get the bulb, or I'm sorry, it's actually in the down position right now. This whole headlight is upside down here. So but you'll see, whatever position it's already on, flick it either up or down to get the bulb out. All right, just wanted to show that real quick. I'm going to go ahead now and put the new bulb on, carefully, not to touch the glass in there. So, all right, guys, as you can see, ice and snow all up on the ground. Here's the two different. The one on the right is the replacement, the 5300, I want to say, and the left is the OEM, which is more like the 4300. You'll probably notice more of a difference as I get closer, but I can't really tell any difference on camera. But definitely notice a difference on the wall. So again, this is OEM on this side, and you can see it just doesn't match up really good with the LED on the bottom as far as the color or temperature. This side is a replacement 5300, a little bit closer to what that bottom bulb light output is, and I don't think it'll ever be exact because the projector's HID where the bottom is LED. So, but that's the reflection. I'll try to cover this up so you can see what the halogen or the original looks like. And I'll cover this one up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys may have. Thanks.